Okay, so now we're on to the next step of what we've been working on, and that is creating a sandbox, which is ideal for testing and when we're doing our programming, rather than having to put things on the test net. So let's us set up the sandbox. Here we go. So let's go up here. First thing, you have to have Docker. Let's see. We may think we may have to see if we need to. Do we need to do anything? I think we may be able to just use the Docker, because the Docker points to this. So I don't know if this is going to work. I thought we may have to download something first, but let's give it a shot. So we copy, and we do have Docker on this machine. And let's see what happens. Okay, so now it's downloading everything. And you can see it's downloading the Docker environment, which we've done this before. And you can see it going here. And so it's pulling everything it needs. Looks like it's almost done. Relatively quick. Then it has to extract, so it's going through all those. And looks like the one it's still downloading is rather large. $739.1 meg. Let's see. So that looks like it's almost a gig. Fortunately, we have that big, I put that big drive on this box, and yeah, it's almost done downloading this, and it's going to do the extraction, and it's got about 7 others to extract. And then hopefully we'll be able to follow the next steps, which you should be able to see. See what you're seeing, yeah. So we're going to clean it up, we're going to connect to the client, and then we're going to configure the client to work with the sandbox and so on. Now it's just got to extract these others. Hopefully be quick, and then it should be done. Then we should be able to go on and do the next steps. And hopefully they'll work. That's the nice thing about Docker. It lets us use a sandbox so we don't, we keep everything separate, and we don't have to worry that we're going to do something wrong on the test net. Test net, I think, is when you have something that you think is relatively close. So now we're just going through the setting up the endpoint. Node is bootstrapped, and now we're going to connect. And So now we are doing the configuration, which we did on the test net. And now, let's see, so you can use, so we're gonna do this. So this is their built-in, and you can see it shows the accounts, and these are built in. Well, that's nice. So you don't have to Alice unencrypted. So it's what we're doing here is we're importing the account, these two accounts, Alice and Bob, and we're going to do that. So this is pretty much copy and paste. What? Oh, I missed the beginning. Tezos client. Let's try that again. Copy. There is no account. All right. And then to prove it works, we're going to get the balance for Alice. And looks good. So we're going to get a very simple I think we're going to get a very simple client here. Or a very simple contract, rather. And now we're just going to run that. So it looks like it's let's look at this command. Let's put that in. Tezos client originate contract hello ID, transferring 0 from Bob, running ID.tz, init hello world, burn cap. So it ran it, and now we can just shut it down. But I'm going to leave it up. I want to take a look. We have these are some additional things. When did it call it my Sandbox? I guess, right here. So you can kill it and you can restart it. And you can tweak protocols. So we can look at the constants right here, and let's have a look at what these look like. So proof of nonce size, 8 nonce length, max. Okay, so this looks like it's about the validation, hard gas limit, tokens, block security deposit, endorsements, so baking rewards. So this is all the node configuration variables that, let's see. Also has a Grana box. I don't check the Grana. Okay. I'll have to look this up. I think we'll try get into this a little bit tomorrow and start looking at actually doing some of the smart contracts. I mean, we looked at a very simple one here. Let's see. Memorize this. So you're so now we have a little hello world contract, and we have a little contract running in a Docker node, and so we got it up and running in a Sandbox, which will not require us to connect to anything outside, and we can mess up as much as we want, and you can see how easy it is to get back to the beginning here. That's one of the nice things. And I tell you, this is one of the easiest test node installs I've seen. I mean, the instructions worked just perfectly, which that to me is impressive, because often there's something that does not quite work right and you got to mess with it. But this one went pretty much spot on. Did everything it said it was going to do. So anyway, hopefully this has been helpful to you, and you've gotten something out of this demo. And if you have, please subscribe to the channel. Please ring the bell to get further videos. Please give it a like, and please tell your friends about it who may be interested in. There's a lot here with this Tezos, and I know it's popular. I keep seeing Tezos. One of the viewers keeps posting Tezos to $600 and something, but we'll see. Anyway, take care, and I will speak to you next time.